Promag300 Premiere. Unbox with me PR package. Your new allies for beauty and wellness have arrived. Super Glow Hydrating Sunscreen Mist Foot Soak Emulsion with Functional Active Magnesium Hydroxide Elixir Mask Emulsion Magnesium with 24,000 Gold Deo Glow Deo Spray Whiten, smoothen and improve your skin's texture with Deo Glow Soothing Spray Massage Oil Magnesium Soap with glutathione and collagen. Skin Rescue Soap eliminates acne-causing bacteria, prevents future breakouts, smoothens and whitens skin. To 4K Magnesium Soap lightens skin, soothes dryness, fights signs of aging. Magnesium Relief Essential Oil provides cooling comfort, soothes respiration, gives warming relief. Elixir Serum. Can wait to share with you the benefits of this Promag300 Premiere.